Hello everyone. So today in another topic of biochemistry nutrition, we are going to read about one of the vitamin B complexes, that is vitamin B7. The vitamin B7 is also called as biotin. Now let us discuss about the various sources of vitamin B7. What are the various sources? There are mainly two sources of vitamin B7, that is animal source and another is plant source. In the animal source, the vitamin B7 is found in liver and egg yolk. In the plants, it is found in soybean products and various yeast products. Now, what is the adequate intake of the vitamin B7? It is 8 to 12 microgram per day for children, and it is about 30 microgram per day for adults. Now let us discuss about various physiological functions or actions of the vitamin B7. We have to know that vitamin B7 acts as an essential cofactor for several carboxylase enzymes. So that means the vitamin B7 helps to add one carbon group. Now let us go to our reaction wise. How does it helps in various reaction? So pyruvate carboxylase require biotin to change pyruvate to oxaloacetate. Here we have to note that pyruvate is 3 carbon compound, whereas oxaloacetate is 4 carbon compound. So the biotin adds one carbon group to pyruvate and it changes to oxaloacetate with the help of enzyme pyruvate carboxylase. Similarly, while changing acyl coenzyme A, that is 2 carbon compound, to malonyl coenzyme A, that is 3 carbon compound, the acyl coenzyme A carboxylase requires biotin. And propanyl coenzyme A carboxylase, while changing propanyl coenzyme A to methyl malonyl coenzyme A, that is 4 carbon compound, requires biotin. Also, the biotin acts as a CO2 carrier. The biotin acts as carbon dioxide carrier on the surface of each enzyme. So as a result, it has role in protein synthesis and cell replication. So it is one of the very important functions of the biotin because it has action. It acts as the carbon dioxide carrier on the surface of the enzyme. It has role in protein synthesis and cell replication, and it has other many process. It helps in other many processes. Now let us discuss about deficiency. What happens when the deficiency of biotin occurs? How does it occur? You have to know that the consumption of the large amount of raw egg whites can lead to deficiency of vitamin B7. How it leads to vitamin B7? The egg whites contains avidin. The avidin binds to the biotin and it prevents the absorption of the biotin. So avidin is a compound that is found in the egg whites. So if you consume large amount of egg whites, then this avidin will bind to biotin, and due to this binding of avidin to biotin, there is formation of avidin biotin complex. So this avidin biotin complex is very hard to absorb. So very hard to absorb, and it prevents the absorption of the biotin. So the deficiency occur. And what are the various manifestations of the vitamin B7 deficiency? It is dermatitis, enteritis, alopecia. And other various neurological symptoms are change in mental status, lethargy, hallucinations, and paresthesia. Other musculoskeletal symptom is myalgia. Other symptoms, anorexia and nausea. So this much for the vitamin B7 biotin. We discussed the short introduction, we discussed the sources, we discussed adequate intake, we also discussed the various physiological functions and action of the vitamin B7. We discussed what are the various manifestations when there is vitamin B7 deficiency and how the vitamin B7 deficiency occur, and also we discuss about the role of avidin in vitamin B7 deficiency. So this much for today. I hope you understood this lecture. Thank you.